Welcome to Real Estate Today Live. This is Marjorie Dick Stuart. Today I want to talk with you about what is really working now, right now. What is working now if you're a buyer. I have a new listing on the market and I advertise it coming soon, which means you can't see it right now, but it's coming. And in a few days it's going to go live, and I have 15 people that are going to come the minute it goes live, and they're going to want the house. And one of them is going to get it. Hopefully we're going to have multiple offers. It's my listing. That's always my hope and my wish. The place is going to look amazing. It's priced right. They got a great agent. So what do you do if you're a buyer in that situation? Make sure that you are ready. Be ready when that house comes up. These 15 people that are going to be at my doorstep on Thursday or whatever day it is, they're going to be ready. That means they've got a buyer's agent. They have an agreement with somebody who's going to be on their side, who's going to work for them and look after their best interest. They've got a lender that didn't just write a letter. It means if you're a buyer and you want a letter, you make sure that you fill out a loan application. You fill it out online. You hand in your tax returns. You hand in your pay stubs. You give that lender whatever they need to run your credit, so they can say, I have done this. I have reviewed everything. I have reviewed their income and their tax returns and their credit, and they are ready to go. They are pre-qualified. All we need to do is get an appraisal. So make sure that you've got a real pre-approval letter. Make sure that you are familiar with the houses in the neighborhood where you are looking. If you want to be ready to make an offer, you need to know the list price means nothing. You need to know what are you willing to pay for that house based on what you know about the marketplace and you know about that market. So if you're looking for something to buy, have your agent lined up, know your neighborhood, have your pre-qualification letter, know when you can move, and have a home inspector ready to go. Make those phone calls to home inspectors or get your agent to make those calls to home inspectors so that you can be on the ball. You can be the first one in the door with the best contract. If you can't get that done with who you're working with, call me, Marjorie Dick Stuart, 240-731-8079. If you want to be ready as a buyer, give me a call today and let's do it. It's fun out there. Have a good time and get that house. Thanks for watching.